Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to compare Binance with Phantom Wallet and what are the things that you need to know about both of these. So first thing first, Phantom Wallet primarily is a non-custodial wallet built specifically for Solana blockchain. So it's ideal for managing Sol tokens, Solana NFTs and DeFi apps. On the other hand, with Binance, it's a centralized exchange, and that means it lets you buy, sell, trade, stake and even hold hundreds of cryptocurrencies. And I personally use Binance for years and I'm really happy with it. So that's for the Binance. Now, what the Phantom can do for you. So it is for Solana ecosystem, send and receive and swap Solana tokens, manage Solana NFTs. On the other hand, with Binance, you have so much stuff you can do. The launch pool, the mega drop, mining pool, pay, loans, charity, Square, earn, futures, trade, spot margin, P2P, like a lot of things that you can actually do that you can really do with the Phantom. Then, who controls your crypto? So Phantom Wallet is non-custodial. And then, so the private keys are all yours and you have it in control, and Binance is a custodial. So Binance holds your funds for you. So I recommend having like your own like Trezor for crypto. So how secure are they? Phantom Wallet provides strong encryption and biometric security. Binance, advanced security features like 2FA, anti-phishing code and withdrawal whitelists. So the Phantom Wallet is clean, intuitive design, perfect for beginners focused on Solana, and Binance is more complex. So go with the Phantom. If you want to go for go with the Phantom if you want to go with the Solana ecosystem primarily, and with Binance for everything else. So that's pretty much it about both.